If you work with Autodesk Inventor, you have probably seen this window many times. This happens in two situations. Normally, this window appears when you are using Inventor and suddenly your software crashes. Or you can't even open up any environment, like my situation in this video. In this video, I'll cover both situations. If your Inventor crashes when you are working with it, or you can't open up any environment because of Inventor crashing, this video is definitely for you. So let's get cracking. I'll show you 6 ways to solve this issue. So come with me in these steps. After each chapter, test your Inventor. If your problem is solved, you probably don't need to do next steps. Number 1. Download and install the latest .NET framework for your system. So go into Google and write download latest .NET framework for Windows 10 or 7, considering your particular system. I open up first results. Right now, the latest version is 4.8. In the future, when you are watching this video, there will be newer versions. So make sure you are downloading the latest version. I don't download it because I already installed it. But if you haven't installed it, go ahead and download and install it. Number 2, update your computer drivers, especially graphic drivers. To do that, you can go into My Computer or This PC. Click on Manage, and then Device Manager. Open Display Adapters, and one by one, right-click and select Update Driver. It says, how do you want to search for drivers? Make sure that you have a good internet connection and select Search automatically for drivers. If there is a newer driver for your machine, download and update it. But my machine has already updated. Let's do the same procedure for the next display driver. Right-click on it, select Update Driver, and then select Search automatically for drivers if you have a good internet connection. Again, if a newer driver is available, go ahead and install it. But right now my computer doesn't need it, because the best drivers for my device are already installed. Number 3. Install the latest update of your Inventor. Autodesk publishes for every Inventor version some revisions. These revisions contain both software bugs and new features. Always make sure you are using the latest revision of your Inventor. If you'd like to find out which revision is the latest for your Inventor, Google it and see it in Autodesk website. For example, I do it for Inventor 2021. Search Autodesk Inventor 2021 latest version or revision. I open up this website. No, this one. And right there you can see that the latest revision for Inventor 2021 is 2021.4.1. And if you're using Inventor 2021, you should install this revision from your Autodesk account. Number 4. Disable new add-ins. If you recently installed add-ins for your Inventor, it might be the problem. So go into Inventor, under Tools tab, Options panel, select Add-ins, and disable your new add-ins one by one. But if you didn't install any add-in, skip this step. Number 5. Hardware conservative. If your Inventor crashes while you're working with it, this step is going to help you. This is in most of the time because of that the graphic of your system is weak and can't handle Inventor. To solve this issue, go to Inventor and into Application Options. You can access it from here and also here. In the Application Options, go to Hardware tab, change the graphics setting to Conservative, and also check Software Graphics option on, and apply and close. Just be aware that changing the graphics setting does not take effect until Inventor is restarted. Last but not least, number 6. If any of these steps didn't solve your problem, now the good idea is to restart Inventor. This procedure is like factory reset of smartphones. But be careful, before resetting Inventor, if you have personalized your Inventor, make a backup from your settings. I mean application option settings and your hotkeys. And after resetting Inventor, you can use your personalized setting by importing them. So I do it in my Inventor. I go to Application Options, click on Export button, save it in a safe place. I save it in my desktop for now, and close. Then I go to Customize, and export again to my desktop. Keys, save, and close. Then I close the Inventor, go to Start, find the Autodesk Inventor folder considering your version. I use Autodesk Inventor 2023, so I should look for this folder. Under the folder, I found Inventor Reset Utility and click on it and select the version you would like to reset. I have just 2023 in my PC, so I have just this option here. But if you have 2 or 3 different versions of Inventor, select the version that you would like to reset. Click on Reset, and a pop-up appears and says, "Are you sure you want to reset Inventor 2023? Click on OK, and done. Now I open up Autodesk Inventor again, and when it opens, you'll see that all of my settings are gone. But it's no problem, because I exported my settings. For importing my settings, I go to Application Options again. This time, I click on Import. In Desktop, select that file that you have saved and open it. Apply, OK, close. Then I go to Customize, click on Import, select the keys file that I already saved and open it, apply, close. Now if I try to create a new part, it shouldn't have any problem. And I can start using Inventor without any problem. If you have still problem with Inventor, just ask me in comments. I recommend you to see Inventor 2023 new options and features in this video.